to properly attach and detach attachments on skid steers. Today, we'll demonstrate how to properly attach and detach attachments. For the purpose of this demonstration, we will be using a YUFAN mini skid steer loader. The process of attaching and detaching attachments is similar to most other makes and models of compact equipment. Let's get to the first step. Detach an attachment. Use the quick coupler system and ensure that the machine and attachment are on a flat, even surface. Check for debris between the mounting plate and cylinder and disengage the quick coupler switch by pressing towards the disengage side. Wait for it to fully disengage, which can take up to 10 seconds. Always be aware of your surrounding when reversing. To attach an attachment, angle the mounting plate forward and slowly ease into the saddle of the attachment. Angle it up until the attachment sits flat with the mounting plate. Engage the quick coupler switch by pressing towards the engaged side and waiting for it to fully engage, which can take up to 10 seconds. Always visually inspect the pins before operating. Ensure they are fully engaged and not damaged.